Let's see now how to calibrate blueprints inserted in a HighDesign project. Select an image and insert it on a blank drafting sheet at an appropriate drawing scale. If the acquired image, PDF, or the imported drawing are not to scale or need to be rotated by an angle, the calibration tool in HighDesign allows an easy fix to this specific problem. Put the drawing or image on a separate layer, maybe adjusting its transparency, and check its accuracy. Just use the line measurement method and trace a distance of known length and angle. Compare the resulting values in the geometry fields of object info with their actual values. If the length of the measured segment differs from the actual value, enter its known value to proportionally scale the drawing by the resulting factor to match the new desired value. Equally, enter the known angle in the angle field to rotate the drawing by the resulting angle to match the new desired value. Now the blueprint is calibrated and ready for use in your project.